Welcome back to Imou Lab. Today we're going to test Imou Versa, and we're going to show you the convenient experience it can bring you while monitoring your house. Let's find out together. Such a cute camera. Let's measure it. It weighs only 120 grams, which is lighter than 2x. Such a lightweight camera makes the usage scenarios more extensive and flexible. Versa is not only small, but also very easy to install. Versa has two installation methods: built-in magnetic suction, which can be attached to all iron surfaces in the home. The strong suction makes it very firm on iron desktops, refrigerators, and window frames. If you encounter a non-ferrous surface, you can use the 3M tape that came with the package to stick it at will without leaving any traces. Worried that glue won't be able to hold a security camera? Don't worry. Due to Versa's 120 grams volume, 3M glue is more than enough to hold its weight. Versa is also a tenacious warrior that is not afraid of wind and rain. With IP65 certified weather resistance, Versa can handle any outdoor extreme weather with ease, whether it's pouring rain, strong wind, or even sandstorms. Versa gives you the ultimate convenient experience. Live a high-quality smart life with Imou.